In this video, we'll explore how to transfer a bill from one room to another during the checkout process. Click on room G4 on the dashboard to view its details. To proceed to the checkout page for room G4, please click the Checkout button in the pop-up. Click on the Bill and Checkout button in the navigation bar to proceed with billing and checkout. Click on the checkbox next to Room Rent to select it in the bill modal. Click on the Bill to proceed further. Click on the Bill Transfer to Room to select a room. Rent will be transferred to selected room. Tap on the Update Settlement button. Click on the Print Bill button to print the bill. The transfer amount is displayed in the Receipt Details section. The transferred bill amount is now displaying the designated room number. Navigate to the Home tab on the navigation bar at the top of the page. Click on room G9 on the dashboard to view its details. The bill transfer amount has been successfully transferred to room G9.